my channel. Today we're gonna decorate our gingerbread man.
Who is decorating with you?
Chichi.
Let's see you decorate. Decorate. You just squeeze it hard. Go hard. Yeah, squeeze it.
Here.
I'm crying.
Usually making one of those, making mine.
Okay, I am done.
You're done decorating already? You want to put some eye?
I won.
Is that a mustache you're putting? What of this?
How do I open it?
You gotta put some buttons. Okay, let me open it for you. But you have to use the icing to glue it.
Thanks.
Chichi, are you doing it on the decorate you as well, Chichi? Squeeze it hard. Squeeze it.
I want some eyes. One.
Okay. Thank you.
I want you.
That's for the green one. If you want to use, put the green one. If you want to put the shirt.
I want to put some.
Listen, you're not rolling that thing. Roll it out well.
Something.
Yeah, your finger. So squeeze it. Decorate your icing. Are you gonna do that on top or you should do it on the table?
On the table?
Mm-hmm.
Something again. Oh! Make the icing. Or something. Put the icing, Chichi. But then I need to wash my hands.
Tissue.
Ah, Chichi, hold on.
My apron! On the floor! What? No, you're spraying it on the floor again! Daddy, put it there!
Go wash your hands here.
Icing.
Wash your hands. Wash it well.
I'm rolling it with the rolling pin. How about like this? Cause I like it like this. I like it like this.
I think I put it as a clothes, as a shirt or a trouser. Guys, I let them do it by themselves, and I guess that was Chichi. Chichi, you didn't want to put some of these?
Yeah, I want to. Oops, sorry, Mommy.
You want to put some of these?
Yeah, I like to. Could I put some of?
And Ezeka, can we see your own? Oops, the rolling pin. Okay, let's keep it here. Can we see your own decoration? Let's see yours. Ooh, okay. This is a gingerbread man. Where's he running to?
gingerbread man.
Oh, okay. So now we're done with this. We're going to do another one.
Where are we gonna put the?
We're going to decorate the gingerbread house.
Is the gingerbread house already?
Yeah. So can you guys sit down? Can you guys sit
More
down?
gingerbread houses.
And this, it comes with that and
some
candies.
candies. We don't eat candies.
We don't eat candies yet.
But we decorate them.
Yeah, more candies. We're going to build this.
Candies.
So,
Candies.
oh, we're gonna use this to learn our shapes. So, what shape is this? Is it? Ooh,
It must be a triangle.
is that a triangle? How many sides does it have? Count.
It has
Ooh, I know.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So 5 sides is what?
Hexagon or pentagon?
Pentagon.
Pentagon.
So, Chichi, you see 5 sides. 1,
Pentagons.
2, 3, 4.
And
look
at this.
And what shape is that, Chichi?
I
What
know
shape
what.
is- Don't tell her.
A rectangle.
A rectangle, Chichi.
Rectangle. Rectangle.
And that's a rectangle too. Chichi, what shape is this?
What? Square.
Is this a square?
What?
No. And what shape is this?
Rectangle.
That's another rectangle too.
Rectangle.
Good. So we're going to put the base first and glue it.
Glue the base?
Ooh, yeah.
Where's the glue?
So we're using the
We can use the icing.
icing, exactly. Down. Can you sit? Good.
Whoa!
Oh, he's making a mess.
Chichi.
So this comes with the icing. So I'll have to
Is
cut
that
it
more
off.
icing? Is that more icing?
Yeah. I'll have to
I
cut it
hope
off.
that's blue icing.
No, this is white.
White icing.
Yeah. I won't pour in everything so that we can keep going back and forth.
Cut it open.
And have this for squeezing. So now, I guess we'll
Oh, it fell. Oh!
so let's do
All
this.
the dots are on the floor.
It's okay. So let's try and glue our house. So Ezra, can you put the sides of the house? This one? Put this one.
Where should I
And this
put
one.
it?
Chichi,
Where
can
should I?
you put this one
Where should
here?
I put it?
Did you put this
On
one
the
here?
blue?
On the glue, yeah. Let's see if that will hold it. No, face it. Make it face this way. Ezra, hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Chichi, hold yours. Hold it. Don't push it too hard.
Now you're just putting in this with glue. Mama! You broke the house.
I broke it.
Now look what you've done to the house.
That's okay. We'll figure out how to glue it together.
Do we still need it?
Yeah, we did it for the roof. Where is...
Claire. Should we don't move it?
So let's do this.
Wow! Great! Whoa! Hold it, Mama!
I know. So wait. Let's
Whoa! Glue!
hold it. Hold it. Hold it, guys.
Hold it, Mama!
Ooh. Can someone hold this? Chichi, hold this. Chichi,
I
Jidenka.
can hold it.
Okay.
Because I have 2 hands.
Yo, keep my hands. No, Chichi, hold it. So we can glue. I'm holding it, Chichi. I want you to glue it. Let's have this. We're gonna have a house without a roof.
Huh?
Oopsie. doing?
Here.
I'm supposed to put it here.
What?
I know.
Mama? Why did you do that? A good house,
Okay.
but the broken one.
No.
Actually, I'm still a chef. Me too, I'm being a chef.
See this. Chichi, what colors? Chichi, gonna tell us the colors while we put them.
What is this color, Chichi?
What color is that one, Chichi?
Blue.
And what color is this one?
Pink.
Pink.
How about this one? Gigi, not a color. Name this one and this one. Which one is this one? Blue? Blue. This one? Yellow? Yellow?
What color is this?
Red.
Red. And what color is this one?
Orange.
Orange. Are you not sticking with us, Chichi?
And yellow.
Go and stick with us.
Red, orange, yellow. Mommy, making my chair.
Sit down. There's a sheet for him, sheet for her.
Oh.
Good. Chichi, go sit.
On her chair.
Yeah, Chichi, sit. Good. Chichi, stop doing that. Chichi, can you stick them?
I can't.
Okay, stick them.
I can't not do that.
You cannot do that.
I can't.
Why, Chichi?
I can't.
Why can't you do it?
Chichi just wants to name the colors, right? Chichi, you just want to name the colors and...
Amazing.
Yeah. We should show. More, Mama.
More fell, but it's okay. And this.
Can we still put it?
Did you guys have fun doing this?
Yes.
Chichi. Yes.
Yes.
Good. So thank you so much, guys, for watching, and see you in our next video. And you didn't end the video. So say thank you guys for watching.
Thank you guys for watching my channel. Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.